Welcome to UX Pro. Today we'll be seeing how to install and configure Vagrant for Mac. As you know that from Mac silicon chips doesn't support VirtualBox. So I found other solution which is VMware Fusion. There is a public tech preview available in VMware website. You can download it for free and you can install it and configure. The VMware Fusion installation is pretty straightforward. Just download the binary and just double click the image to get it installed. Okay, it's time to download Vagrant software. This is freely available in the Vagrant portal. You can just download it for Mac, and this works on both x86 as well as on silicon chips. So once you download it, you just double click the Vagrant agent to get it installed. And if you're familiar with the command line, pro install is the easiest way to install the software. Okay, it's time to validate the Vagrant installation. Open the Mac terminal and type Vagrant Command. On the successful execution, you can able to see all these command options, and also there is a help option available to get more information about the Vagrant command line. Type Vagrant-V to identify the Vagrant version. Make Vagrant to communicate with VMware Fusion, so we have to install VMware plugins so that Vagrant can talk to VMware Fusion to create the virtual machines. Use Vagrant command to install Vagrant VMware desktop plugin. So once it's installed, you can able to see the available plugin using Vagrant plugin list. To check the plugin agent, you can use launchctl command to list the Vagrant VMware utility. Let's identify the Vagrant boxes. You need to select carefully by choosing the right architecture to make the Vagrant up and running. Go back to the Vagrant portal again and look for the boxes. And in the search box, you can type Ubuntu ARM. Look for the box which can work with VMware Fusion as well as shows the architecture as ARM 64. The highlighted one seems to be the right fit for our need. Just select the highlighted one. Click on New and copy the command. Back to the terminal and navigate to the desired directory where you would like to place this Vagrant file. So this command will create the Vagrant file on the current directory, and all you need to do is that just run Vagrant up in order to bring up this machine. The backend, Vagrant try to communicate with VMware Fusion and creates a virtual machine and it boots up. Once the machine is up and running, you should be able to log into the machine using Vagrant SSH. Once you log into the machine, you should be able to check the OS version which you have deployed using uname-fna command. And also it automatically mounts a shared directory between your host operating system and the virtual machine, so it will be mounted under /Vagrant. This is the additional lecture which talks about VM port forwarding. Open the Vagrant file using a Visual Studio Code so that we can make changes to the Vagrant file easily. Here I have added a line in order to forward the port from guest to host. I am able to view the web page on port 8080 on the local host. I have skipped the Apache configuration, so that's why you're not able to see it here. But in the Vagrant, if you go back to the virtual machine, and you can see that my Apache configuration in place. Here you can see that hello world from UX Pro. Hope this video is very helpful to you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to UX Pro for regular updates.